Good afternoon, my dear friends. So today I am going to speak about gastric. What is gastric actually? Many people are suffering from gastric. So we have to understand two things in gastric. One is because of low pitta and because of high pitta. Low pitta means because of low hydrochloric acid and because of high hydrochloric acid. So now let us understand one by one. What is low pitta, that is low hydrochloric acid, where the pH or the secretion of hydrochloric acid is not sufficient, low in quantity, no much power to digest the food, henceforth there develops called as indigestion, where it is not able to absorb and assimilate the things. So there will be low hemoglobin, the intrinsic factor will be very less acting in this juncture of time. So henceforth the patient feels low energy, lethargic, body pain. Okay, so if at all if he has any heavy food, he feels tired. Arey Baba, I cannot move. I am not able to work anymore. So these types of feeling are seen in low pitta. So what is high acidity? That is high increase, tikshna pitta. Pitta in the sense, the Panchamahabhuta composition of pitta is Jala, that is water, and Agni, that is fire. So now you have to understand hydrochloric dilution. So if you take 100 ml of hydrochloric acid in a purest form, if you dip a leaf, it will be burnt off. So that is normal. If you add to this 100 ml 500 ml of water and you dip the same leaf, the leaf will not be burnt. In the same way, Tikshna Pitta is Gunataha Vriddhi. That is called, we can call it as a quantitative increase of Pitta. Henceforth, it does not have the power to digest. Even though we take even some chapati or idli, burning sensation or the stomach or the neck region, throat region, there will be acid reflux. As you walk for a 10 steps, sometimes you feel burning sensation over your esophagus. Henceforth, so the treatment also varies from in the both sides. See now, what are the treatments currently we are using? Most probably, if at all if you suffer from gastric, you have to remember one thing: there is a possibility of developing a stomach cancer. See, or maybe astonished to hear this. See, because whenever there is gastritis, there is a possible thing, that is H. pylori is a bacteria. It is most commonly dwells in this condition, in the low or the tikshna pitta. Henceforth, if you are not monitoring properly, what will happen? That can lead to most probably the cancer. So what are the treatments we are taking now? So we are taking Rantac, that is a proton pump inhibitor, which is inhibiting the hydrogen to get collided with Cl, that is HCl is not forming. So if at all if you take food, so the hydrochloric acid production will not be there. Henceforth, the absorption assimilation part is very low. Anemia 100%, gynecomastia, okay, that is their impotency. If you give the same tablet for 30 days and you test the sperm count also will be drastically reduced. Henceforth, we have to understand one thing, that is not the right treatment. Anyhow, it is life saving and it has to be given along with the antibiotics, okay, and it is not, it's for emergency and not for prolonged use. You have to keep in your mind. Then what are the other treatments? So what Ayurveda says, whenever the pitta is low, you have to increase the pH. That is, you can give kashaya, arishta, asava, just like you can give jeera karishta, and you can give draksha arishta, you can give aravindasava, dashamula arishta. All the things we can give, Kumari Asava, all those things you can give to increase the pH. So also you can give certain kashayas also, Drakshadi Kashayam, Kirata Muladi Kashayam, then Indukanta Kashayam, all those things. So now come to the Tikshna Pitta. Now what you have to do? You have to reduce the quantity, that is we have to reduce the water content. So you have to give Avipatti Churnam. By giving that, there will be purgation, so that excess amount of water content will be getting drained out. Then you have to neutralize it. Give Shankavati or Kamaduda Rasa or Dhanvantaravati or Kankayanavati, which will reduce, and Vata will be taken from here to downwards. So that will be settle the problem. Henceforth, I request you to adopt these measures rather than simply going for gastric tablets, which will worsen all the system, and it will dwell, and it will, the H. pylori will be dwelling in your stomach, and henceforth let it not lead to the cancer. Thank you one and all.